huge spark of lightning literally right there, and I missed it. Oh man. I've been sitting here waiting for a lightning strike. There's been like 3 so far, literally right there in front of my face. See if we can catch some more. We got another one. I'm sitting here by where it's called the Wheel Park, and this is where I'm parked at right now, just trying to catch some, waiting for some lightning, but I don't think there's gonna be any more. My leg is wet, my arm, my whole door. I had this shirt right here just to kind of cover it up, but it was still getting wet. Who cares? Check it out. Come on, lightning. Let's go, lightning. Oh, on top of rain, we got all kinds of hail. Look at this. Story time. So because of my injury, the doctor says, you know, I need PT, but they're like, we can give you PT. And I kind of just nodded my head to that, because that's just a bunch of extra money I'm going to have to end up paying for just regular stuff I could do on my own. Out walking, go to the gym and exercise and do all kinds of stuff. I mean, I've seen those PT, I've seen what they do in those PT offices where they just make you lift 5-pound weights, knowing that you can do way more. But anyway, I'd rather do this, walk around and record this kind of stuff, because I need to keep myself active, and I gotta keep moving around, and I, you know, as I heal and let my back heal. So this is kind of what I've been up to. I mean, and today just happened to be raining a bunch, and it's been going crazy today. So I kind of just went around and walked around and saw all this crazy rain going on. So I thought I'd try to catch some lightning on the camera. And then as I was driving around, I just saw all these Little rivers across the parks that are like, getting completely full and flooded. And so, yeah, that's all I gotta say today. I'm definitely not gonna do no PT orders by the doctor because I can literally do whatever they tell you to do in the office. In those offices, you can literally do that yourself out in the outdoors. And yeah,